अच्छा है।
Well, he's par excellence. I don't think there's anybody else today in the industry, who knows, who understands films and characters and storylines in the way he does. And I loved and enjoyed working with him a lot.
What do you think makes him the king of romance?
I think his passion for life.
He's a wonderful filmmaker, and we all know. And he's very consistent. And I'm sure his film will do well because every time he deals with any kind, and his films are clean and, neat.
Yash is so completely fabulous with romance and love.
Expectations from, Yash Chopra movie?
I don't think need to expect anything because it's going to be grand, it's going to be beautiful, it's going to be amazing.
I think they are probably the most creative family in the fraternity, and I'm sure they've really made a love legend just the way they've advertised it, and I can't wait to see it. Everything about his movies spell and signify, denote romance in every possible way.
Yash ji's film 7 saal ke baad, what's your expectation?
Nothing less than fabulous. Absolutely fantastic.
Tell me, romance and him seem to go hand in hand. Any reason why?
He stayed with the times. He has seen that he has to change with the times, and he's done that. I have fabulous expectations, and I'm sure they will be met in there.
Something excellent, and looking forward to it.
Are you in the mood for a romantic evening?
Always.
What are your expectations from the movie?
I'm expecting a grand movie, and I don't think I'm going to be let down.
One can associate with Yash ji's films a lot of romance, intense romance, a lot of music, beautiful photography.
I don't think there's anybody in our country who's not a Yash Chopra fan, and definitely I'm a huge fan, and definitely huge expectations, and I know he'll do it. The Yash Chopra magic will prevail.
It's very difficult to find two gorgeous women together, and coming to a show like this. I've seen a lot of males go in alone, but here are the two ladies. Tell me, expectations, Yash ji ki film after 7 years.
I'm dying to watch it. I mean, what more?
Do you think we all need a little more love in our lives?
Of course, we do.
A Yash Chopra movie means romance for everyone. What does it mean for you?
It means class, it means color, it means elegance. It definitely means romance, but it means legendary success.
Do you expect to come out with a heavy heart, or do you expect to come out with a smile on your face saying romance still lives?
I think I'm going to come out being overwhelmed. I'm expecting that.
3 घंटे बहुत ज़्यादा रोमांस करने का इरादा है।
रोमांस तो 5 घंटे भी हो सकता है।
यश जी जो भी फिल्म बनाते हैं, लोगों को इंतजार होता है, और हम सब लोग एक्साइटेड हैं आज फिल्म देखने के लिए।
Yash Uncle film, got to be great. No question about it. Basically, I'm not one of those people who say that he only does romance. I think he makes damn good films. He's always made great films like Diwar. He's made Waqt. So he's a damn good filmmaker.
am so full of anticipation and so eager to see what he's done because, I mean, let's face it, he's the great master.
You know, I must say, Hrithik, whenever you change your look, it always keeps getting better and better. What is your expectation from Yash Ji's movie, 7 Saal Ke Baad?
The world. I think it's going to be the biggest blockbuster of the year.
Tell me, you know, romance and him go hand in hand. Any reasons why?
I don't know. Must be the kind of heart he has. Must be having a really sensitive, romantic heart.
Do we all need a little more loving in our lives?
Always.
यश चोपड़ा तो हमेशा सोशल फिल्म तो बनाते ही हैं, साथ में बहुत हेल्दी फिल्म भी बनाते हैं, यानी मार धाड़ से दूर। गुलशन ग्रोवर जैसे लोगों की जरूरत कम पड़ती है उस फिल्म में। संगीत प्रधान होता है, कहानी प्रधान होता है, और सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि ऐसी फिल्म बनाते हैं जो पूरे परिवार के साथ देखी जा सके।
इतनी रोमांटिक फिल्म आप जो है वो अकेले देखने आए इस तरीके से?
देखिए, मैं क्या कहते हैं अपने बड़े भाई के साथ में आया हूँ।
What is your expectation? 7 years since Yash Ji has made a movie.
I am a big fan of Yash Ji. The music is mind-boggling, and I am like already I've heard the music. I'm really looking forward to seeing this movie.
Expectations from a movie which is by Yash Ji, 7 Saal Ke Baad.
I guess they'll be huge, but I mean, Yash Uncle has been around for many years, and I'm sure he knows how to deal with pressure, and I'm sure it's going to be a good film, so I don't think there's much to worry about.
I'm really expecting some great music. The music is already doing really well, and let's watch.
प्यार के रंग में अगर आपको भी घुलना है तो देख लीजिए हमारे साथ बीरजा।
Absolutely beautiful film. It's beautifully written, it's beautifully performed, and it's beautifully mounted, and I just hope all the best for it.
Even the songs are fantastic in the film. All the artists, Shahrukh, Priti, Rani, Amitabh ji, Hema ji, and even all the small characters also, they have done a splendid job in the film.
He had expressed that the movie he wanted to make was definitely a movie of the soil. These were his words. And I could see how and where that was stemming from. It's completely there all through Veer Zara.
When you finish with a film, you're mum, you're quiet, it keeps you thinking, and you realize, wow, what a film.
Wow, what a film. And I wish Yash Raj Films and Yash Ji and Adi all the best, all the very best, and I know it's all the way, all the best.